Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk about how to install FRP wall paneling in your bathroom. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, I'll be using a caulking gun and some heavy-duty construction caulking. So what our goal here is with the caulking is to do a zigzag shape across the entire wall where we're putting up the paneling. So just take our caulk, squeeze it out, and zigzag back and forth. After the area that you want to put the paneling is caulked, go ahead and grab your paneling. Now we're going to take our paneling and place it on our wall. After we have our paneling up, we're going to take our hands and smash all that caulking that's on the other side down so that way it can spread out and actually have a little bit of power to hold it to. So just going to take it here and smooth it out. Then you'll go ahead and install this throughout your entire bathroom. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.